Hello everyone. As in last video, we have discussed that air exerts pressure in upward direction. And now one more activity we will do to prove that air exerts pressure in downward direction. For this, you take a plastic bottle, take a pin and pierce a small hole near its bottom. Put a piece of tape over the hole and fill the bottle with water. Close the cap and remove the tape. What you will observe? Now seal the hole and fill the bottle without closing the cap and remove the tape. But you will see difference in both cases. In first case, the water doesn't flow out of the hole, while in second case, the water flow out of the hole because of pressure exerted by air. So in first case, the bottle was covered means with cap, that's why the air pressure do not flow the water out of the bottle. But in second case, the air entered into the bottle and exert pressure in downward direction. Due to that, the water comes out of the hole. Next properties of air is hot air rises up. You can also prove it with an activity. You just light a candle and place your hand on the side of the candle flame. Do you feel warm? No, you will not feel warmth. Now place your hand about 10 inches away on the top of the flame. Now this time you will feel that hot air is coming up and in your hand you will feel hot air. This activity proves that hot air rises up. Next is hot air expands. Means whenever air becomes hot, it expands. For this, you do one activity. Take a bottle and attach a bottle at the neck of the bottle. Place the bottle in a pan containing water. Heat the pan. The balloon will get inflated. So why it happens? It happens because when the air present in the balloon becomes hot, it starts expanding, and this expanded air enter into the balloon and balloon become inflated or bigger in size. Now next is uses of air. So many uses of air are there. So first is nitrogen. As you know that there is maximum amount of gas which is present in air, that is nitrogen. Nitrogen is an important plant nutrient. Special bacteria in the soil convert the nitrogen in air into the form that can be used by plants. From plants, the nitrogen reaches other organisms. But nitrogen neither burns nor supports burning. Its presence in air helps reduce rate of burning as caused by oxygen. You know that oxygen support in burning but nitrogen never. But indirectly this nitrogen come to our body with the help of plant product. Second is oxygen. Oxygen is needed by living thing to breathe. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Whenever you will cover a lighted candle with a glass or any other object, you will see that after some time the candle blow off. Why it happens? because whatever oxygen was present in the glass or any other bowl, that was consumed by candle, and after that it blow off. Carbon dioxide, third one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide present in atmosphere is used by plant to prepare food during photosynthesis. As you know, it is very common and all of you know about it. Next is neon. Neon gas is used for glowing signboards. Argon is colorless and odorless gas used for making fluorescent tubes and bulbs. Krypton and xenon are also useful because their light emitting properties when electrically charged. So these all are important uses of air. Some more uses are also there. That is, wind is a form of energy and it turns the blade of windmill to generate electricity. Means wind also helps us to generate electricity, and it helps us to in moving sailboats across water also. Air cools engines by absorbing and taking away heat produced by them. In this way, it helps in working so many machines in vehicles also. Air is filled in tires, pillows, etc. to allow flexibility. It is filled in rubber boats to help them to float on water. It is filled in football to give it shape and keep it light and soft enough to kick. And air pressure helps in sucking liquid through straw. Whenever you have cold drinks with straw, you can take sip because of air pressure only. So that's all for today only. We have learned today uses of air also and some properties of air also. In next class we will discuss about water. Thank you for